Do you love sweet potatoes? Did you know this super healthy vegetable is also super easy to bake? Now that's sweet. Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you'll learn to cook healthy, cook easy. And my name is Karen Breyer, and this is my dad, Don. And today we are making baked sweet potatoes, and I just love sweet potatoes. They're one, you like
I
them?
do too. Yep.
Yeah, they're one of my favorite foods. In fact, sometimes if I have extra baked potatoes, I'll heat one for breakfast. Did you know that?
No, I didn't know that.
They're good for breakfast. Anyways, they're really easy to make and they're delicious anytime. So all you need is sweet potatoes, or you could use this recipe for yams. So I just have a few. So the first thing that you need to do is preheat the oven to 425 degrees, and I did that already. The next thing you need to do is wash and dry your sweet potatoes or yams, and I did that already. I just had a vegetable brush under running water and I just scrubbed it and rinsed it and then patted it dry. So they're already clean. The next thing that you need to do is poke holes in the sweet potatoes. You just take a fork and just poke some holes. This will allow the steam to escape while it's cooking, and just go all the way around. And then we'll set it on a pan so you could...
Want me to do one here?
Yeah,
okay,
go ahead.
I can do that.
Okay, you got one more.
Okay.
So you put these on a baking sheet. This is a small baking sheet. Actually, this is my toaster oven baking sheet. So we could actually cook these in the toaster oven if you wanted to on the bake setting, but we're gonna cook them in the regular oven. And I also line it with foil because the potatoes ooze out all their yummy sweetness and it's easier to clean up. So we're ready. We're gonna go ahead and put the sweet potatoes in the oven. We're gonna cook them on 425 degrees for 50 to 60 minutes, or until the potatoes are soft all the way through. And I test them. We'll get a knife later and poke a knife in to make sure it's soft. If it's not, just cook them a little longer till they're soft. So we're gonna go put them in the oven next. Okay, so we're gonna put our sweet potatoes in the oven, 425 degrees. We're gonna cook them for 50 to 60 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and set the timer for 50 minutes and we'll come back and check if they're done. Okay, our sweet potatoes have been baking for about 55 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and take them out and we're gonna check them to see if they're soft. Wow, they smell so good. So I'm just going to go ahead and poke a knife through, and it's nice and soft. We'll check the biggest one. They're all soft, so they are ready to come out. So we'll go try them next. Our sweet potatoes are baked. They're smelling delicious, and I'm ready to try one. How about you?
Oh, I am. Yeah, let's...
So let's grab one. They're nice and soft, just how I like them. We have some butter, salt, and pepper. You could also put sour cream, or if you want something healthier, try my tofu sour cream recipe. It's tofu sour cream and chives. It's amazing, and it's good on sweet potatoes. I put it on my sweet potatoes all the time. And then a little salt and pepper. And you know, sweet potatoes are really healthy.
It's looking good.
Super yummy. You ready to try it?
Okay.
Okay, here we go. I love it.
Does it? Okay. Let's see. Very good.
Yeah, and that was really easy to make. There you have it, a nice side dish. You can have them for breakfast. I put eggs on my sweet potatoes for breakfast.
Well, that'd be good.
Yeah.
Not bad.
It tastes really good.
Yeah.
So try it this week. Let me know how it turns out. And I'll see you in the next lesson. And if you like easy recipes like this, subscribe and push that bell button and you'll get notified whenever I post a new easy recipe. See you in my next lesson. Let's have some more.